To redeem your Samsung Reward points, start by opening the Samsung Rewards app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Navigate to the Samsung Members section and select Benefits. Then click on the Samsung Rewards button. This will take you to a new page where you can find and click on the Redeem button, displaying a list of available rewards. Scroll through the list, select the item you wish to purchase, and tap on it. Then, when prompted, select Redeem Points to complete the process. Alternatively, you can also redeem your points through the Samsung Pay app by launching the app, logging into your account, and selecting Rewards from the navigation bar. Tap the More Options button. Choose Redeem Points, and a list of reward items will appear. Select the item you want by tapping on it, and then click on Redeem to finalize the purchase. By following these simple steps, you can easily redeem your Samsung Rewards points.